is Mr. Kaufman, and welcome to another Minecraft video inside. Actually, really, first Minecraft video, actually. But anyway, here we go. Annoying slimes, yeah. Let's just start my walk and unlock up my door. And today, I will be teaching you how to make these thingamabobs called, if you can read fast, you probably read it, fireworks. Oh, look how long this was. Like you can barely see me. Anyway, here they are. These are not all the different types of fireworks, but these are only the ones I made. I need to do that again. Then go back here so you can see that it is the creeper face. Now what's this? Yes, you're gonna say those are the right ones. Some of these. Some of these. Some of these. These are the really lame ones. They don't go and explode or anything. They just stay on the ground. And the grand finale. I know that. Okay. Anyway. So this is one firework of the grand finale. I know that. And you can do these at any time, even when it's raining. This is where I keep all my pets and baby horses. I used to have a snow golem, but he died when it started to rain. Anyway, first let's go check on Larry and Mary and Joe. Here, where'd he go? Okay, is this a zombie? That's not a zombie villager. Are you a zombie villager? No, they must be in the nether. Okay. Running up it. They might not be here anymore. Hopefully they die though. Okay, they probably died because of the... Yeah, there we are, Larry. Kind of saying that everything's on fire. There's a firework to cheer you up. Obviously, they kind of died. Let's go grab a horse and begin this video. Okay, I have no idea where I'm grabbing horse and everything. I know I put George. There we are, George. George! Wanna see a firework, George? There we go. Nice little firework. Now, how do... Oh, press the plate. Let's get... Oh, by the way, to name this one, you have to go in the comments and name what you want to name this guy. Let's turn this down. And you have to tell me what you want to name this guy. So anyway, today I'll be teaching you how to do fireworks. This is Spots, Blonde, Patches, Elderly, and I guess I'll take Spots with me today. Hopefully he's not a pain getting out, and it's going to be, so let's bravely go over here. If I don't jump on the bed, I'll destroy this bed. Bye bye bed. Click on Spots. Okay. Spots, let's go ahead, push you in. go in. Okay, blonde. Okay, maybe I'll just bring droids. Unless the horses follow golden apples. Let's see if they do with golden apple. And here I'm not sure if they follow golden apple or not. Hello? Hello? Okay, no. Come on, George, right there. Okay. Okay, come on, George. Let's go. To my house, George. How we feel? George, where are you? George. 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 Oh, George, you're right there. Hooray, we found George. We found George, we found George. Come on, George. Come on, buddy. And we stole him. Hey guys, we found George. Okay, so what you're gonna need is you can do gunpowder. This is one of the most intense ones you can do. You can do street dye, glowstone right there. Wait, no, not gunpowder. A diamond. One diamond right here. And do I have a fire charge or anything like that? No, sorry guys. But yeah, okay. 7 minutes, okay, okay. Let me go and test over here. Okay, anyway, what are you doing on there? Okay. Oh yeah, right. Fire charge. Okay, so what you want to do, you can. This is the most intense one you can make, as I showed you. Oops. And you can either do a fire charge or a head at the bottom. A head does like a creeper face, and the other one does so then you get a fireworks star. This is already in the creative inventory, but it won't work that way. So I'm gonna do the same thing, except this time I'm gonna do the head. So we have 2 now. We need 3 more. So let's go materials. Purple, blue. Okay. So what is it? Okay. This is until I forgot. Gunpowder I already have. Yeah, pretty much everything else. Well, the safes is that what I need. you can also use a feather and whatever golden nugget is. Golden nugget.
Call from Will County Farm.
And okay.
From Will County Farm.
That's all the ones I didn't
Call
use.
from Will County Farm.
You can also just do one like that. That'll make it. But I still like it this way. I'm teaching how to make the most intense. I'm gonna do a feather this time. Good nugget. Where's my glowstone dots? Orange, blue. Darn it, whatever. I do green. Gunpowder. This isn't gonna be the most colorful one, but we need one more. And I'm gonna grab 3 new dyes. No, red, green, yellow, I guess. Red, green, yellow, gunpowder. Diamond, I forgot the shape. But that is a-okay. And now you're gonna need paper and gunpowder. I think I decided. Okay, I just need paper. I don't even need 6 paper. Enough to do it there. Now you can go up to 3, but I'm just gonna do 1. I don't know, cause I might have done this wrong. Yes, I need to make more. Do I have any more on me? No, so I'm gonna do it 3 actually. And this is how long it stays in the air before it blows up. So here it is. Good thing it's nighttime too. And as you see, since I did the head for this, it changes into a creeper face after it blows up. Watch this. So it explodes and fades into a creeper face. There is a way to make it fake color, but I forgot how to. I just watched the video how to do it. But anyway, so that is that. This one's longer. Okay, anyway, you can also, the simplest one, survival mode, paper, gunpowder like that. You get a free firework. This firework doesn't do anything. So that's kind of just a bummer to do that. But it is something, and you can just do this. Done. Then you can do, if you just wanted to be that, you can do this. And how many, this is the cheapest one that will explode technically. This is, and you know, then you can just do this if you just want it to be green. Oops. See. So a fire charge does like 2 big explosions, by the way, if you didn't know that. Look, what's this? See, you see one big ball, and then that little ball. That's what a fire charge does. Fire charge. Never knew it was in there. Okay, George, right here. Sit. Okay, that's pretty much the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed. And oh, by the way, there is another video called like Guide to Crafting a Fire, which I highly suggest that you check it out. So that's the end of the video today, and